What's up, y'all? It's Sarah, global studio artist at Milk Makeup. Kush Liquid Eyeliner is a clean, waterproof felt tip pen that delivers our blackest black formula. No feathering for up to 24 hours. Conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil helps hydrate for a smooth application. That means no pulling, catching, or skipping along that delicate lash line. The waterproof, smudge-proof, and transfer-proof formula dries down quickly. The ultra-fine precision tip is perfect for graphic wings or detail work. Flip the tip. When your applicator needs a refresh, simply pull out with the tissue, reverse sides for a good as new liner. Top it off with a hit of Kush mascara to complete the look. Apply across your lash line, from the inner corner of the eye to the outer corner. Use the fine point for thinner, precise lines, or angle the edge for thicker, bolder lines. Kush Liquid Eyeliner is cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, silicone-free, and vegan. Your precision tip is great for the graphic wings or detail work. Is that the vibe?